guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing about the different types of the weddings. Now we will discuss about mass wedding. Is a single ceremony where numerous couples are married simultaneously. The next type we are discussing is micro wedding. Micro wedding is a minomy is defined by the small number of friends or family member present. The number of guests is usually understood to be more than 10 or 15 people, including the family members. Although some resources will use this label for small wedding with up to 50 guests, compared to an open or civil marriage with no guest, and a micro wedding is planned and announced in advance and may incorporate whether telling tradition and activities in the families want to maintain such wedding, cake, photographs and religious ceremony. Although the cost per guest may be higher, the overall cost of the micro wedding is usually significantly less than the large wedding. Micro wedding gained attention during the COVID-19 pandemic as a way to the wedding event in compliance with public health restriction. After pandemic restriction were lifted, they remained popular with couples particularly appreciating their significantly lower costs. Military weddings. A military wedding is a ceremony conducted in a military chapel and may involve a sabre arch. In most military weddings, one or both of the couple getting married will wear a military dress uniform in the lieu of the civilian formal wear. Some retired military professionals who marry after their service has ended may option for a military wedding. Peasant wedding is a Dutch colonial custom. Not everyone in the Limburger and the Brandam may be in Brno left. Pleasant part of the carnival will only lift very often held during the carnival and is an important part of the carnival culture. Each carnival association has its own tradition concerning choosing the spouse for a wedding. Often the bride and the groom and chosen by the council or 11 by the couple that was married a year before. It is not necessarily that the newlyweds are the couple in the real life, so it is not necessary and the bride and the groom are single. Both the bride and groom, however, should be loved during the carnival and the need to transfer their love. These people who celebrate their wedding along with them. Highlighted in the festival of the peasant wedding is the wedding in the fest of the wedding on the coming of the groom of the wedding. There are many aspects they are found in the real life marriage. First, the engagement will announce as it just as Rudy of Koshiel as the both of the Koshiel, and the both families would learn know each other and very well organize the party of the ceremony like a normal wedding, and the two family prepare a piece of entertainment for the wedding, and just like a real wedding. Just like a real wedding, a reception and a feast is organized where guests can ask to wear appropriate clothing. The bride and groom will often dress in wedding customs. Before the 1940, the bride example Sapas Shogun wedding is a wedding in which the groom is reluctant to marry the bride. However, they strongly encouraged to do the above the family social legal repercussions in the case in the bride before the wedding and the family of the bride. Most commonly, the bride's father insists the groom to marry the groom, and before the becomes obvious. Reunial wedding is a ceremony in which married couple renews or reforms the wedding vows, and the typical ceremony is held to commemorate the milestone wedding anniversary, and they may held to recreate marriage in the ceremony in the presence of the family. This is typically the case of the earlier improvement. So we will discuss the further types of the framing in the next type of the video. So stay with the video. So bride is the woman who was class with